So in this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you guys how to change your location on PrizePicks. PrizePicks is only available in some states, but in this video I'll show you guys how to bypass it. So first thing you want to do is just get a VPN or proxy. And you can get this by simply downloading it on the App Store. And the one I recommend is Hotspot Shield, as it's very fast and reliable. Now once you have your Hotspot Shield open, just click on the bottom where it says virtual location, click on that. Now it's going to bring you to this page where you can change your location to anywhere in the world you want. But for you to have PrizePicks, all you have to do is just connect it to a state that has PrizePicks available. So just connect it to Los Angeles. Once you have it connected, you'll see at the top it says VPN. That means you're connected. And once you go back to the PrizePicks app, you should be able to use it. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like.